Everyone is buying smaller solar panels, and I think that's a huge mistake. Before you buy any solar panels, you need to see this. This is the 590 watt bifacial solar panel from SunGoldPower, and it easily makes more than 590 watts, and I'm going to prove it to you here. They even withstand heavy wind and rainstorms on the Minuteman solar panel stands, but it gets even better than that. I'm going to take them from leaning against these sawhorses, or leaning them against the house, which is what a lot of people do, and make one of the most powerful, affordable, and easy off-grid solar setups. My name's Ben, this is the Minuteman Solar YouTube channel. I've been testing solar panels for about 10 years, and these solar panels truly amaze me. The first thing that's so incredible about them is they come packaged in groups of 2, and you can get as many as you want. The more you buy, the cheaper it is per watt, but it is extremely hard to find solar panels that'll ship to your door for less than 10 pieces of quantity. They're very well packaged. Every single solar panel has cardboard and thick foam to protect it in shipping. And that's really needed when ordering in smaller quantities. But recently I did a big solar job down south where we installed 52 of these, and it made for a ton of rubbish and trash that we needed to have thrown away. They have other solar panels you can do this with, but the specs on these 590 watt panels are extremely impressive because they have a VOC, or an open circuit voltage, of 52.35 volts. They're 70 pounds each. They're 90 inches tall by 45 inches wide. They use an N-type high efficiency bifacial solar cell that are 23% efficient, and there's up to a 30% gain because they're bifacial cells, meaning they have solar cells on the front and the back. They have a 12-year material warranty, a 30-year performance warranty, and they're UL listed. Because they weigh 70 pounds, these things really are hard to move around. These would be better if they're going to be out for longer periods of time, but I want to convert these to using the Minuteman solar panel stands, and I'll have links to those down below. This takes any solar panel that has these grommet holes in the frame and allows you to make a temporary setup that doesn't require any permits. Additionally, it's angle adjustable, so that way you can use them at different times of the year to get better solar output from your solar panels. The top legs and bottom legs are fastened to the frame the same way, and I'm getting them on uneven ground quite level with each other. Everything that you need to put the system together comes with the kit, including the anchoring system, a little wrench to tighten the legs onto the frame. It's all included, so that way you don't have to bring any of your own tools. But like with anything new, there's a slight learning curve, so I do have a dedicated video on how to put those together. So the easiest way to put these together is simply get them set up without having the legs telescoped into position, and then once you pretty much have them where you need to be, adjust the legs to the height that you want. Now, for pretty much everybody everywhere, as long as you're near a 45-degree angle at whatever time of the year, that's going to be all that you really need. You don't have to get a really exact angle. You just don't want to be flat on the ground and then be killing the grass, or the weeds in my case, under the solar panels. And to make sure that these don't blow away in the wind, I'm using the supplied anchoring system, which is this grommet strap that goes around the upper leg bracket, along with this 9-foot long strap that then gets anchored to the ground. If the soil is loose, then you're gonna need like a sandbag or a cinder block to hold this down. But because my soil is compacted, I can actually drill this into the ground and it holds on really, really tight. I only have 4 of these solar panels, but I would actually love to get another 20 or 30 of these and set them up to run power as a backup system for my entire house, because these make so much power. Even in a nasty rain/hailstorm that came through, these had no problem standing up to all of that wind, and I didn't have to go check on them once. They have a unique feature where they allow light to go through between the cells, just like you can see my hand sticking through right here. The major advantage of this is you get more reflective light to hit the back of the cells to make more power, and especially being used in an RV setup, you can make extra power because of the white reflective roof. But here's how much solar I was making. Just from these 4 solar panels, I was getting 656 watts per panel on a typical winter sunny day. So this isn't even the best time of the year to be testing this, and so because they were doing so well, I actually wanted to put them on the Boondockers RV solar rack. This is a solar rack that's specifically designed to work with pretty much any type of RV, whether it's a fifth wheel, toy hauler, travel trailer, gooseneck, doesn't matter. This will fit on it, and you need very few tools to put it together. One of the things that I like the most about these SunGold 590 watt solar panels, in conjunction with the Boondockers RV solar rack, is that most RVs are about 92 to 100 inches wide. And since the solar panels are 90 inches wide, we can actually use just 3 of these solar rails and have an extremely powerful RV system. You'll notice that my driveway is slanted and we can still get these panels level. And part of that's due to the special design of this base plate, which works with any edge of roof, as well as this custom made bracket that allows you to have different pitches of angled roof and still allow it to fit. So if you're looking for RV solar, definitely check out boondockersrv.com. But are these solar panels worth the price? If you were to buy a large number of them, you get a better price per watt, but you can also order in smaller quantities. So it comes out to be roughly $231 per panel, or about 39 cents per watt. I usually like ordering from Signature Solar, and these were the largest commercial size solar panels I could find, and they will not ship it directly to your house, and you have to order a minimum of 10 at $214 each. Comes out to essentially the same price of 39 cents per watt, but I can get them delivered to my house for free with support and a warranty for 30 years. And so especially using this at home or an RV rack, you can just order the amount that you need and you get better pricing if you order even more than 20. If I were to go order 10 of these panels from Signature Solar, I actually am going to have to pay for shipping and they're going to have to get that info to me. This is actually a display unit for the Boondockers RV solar rack that has the 590 watt panels, which are my top recommended ones, but it'll also work with the SunGoldPower 450 watt solar panels, which are my favorite residential size solar panels, and they're also a really good price. And you can see these base plates here are in different angles and different pitches to show how it works with any RV roof. So these 590 watt panels are absolutely incredible. I think they're a great deal. And if you want to see a video where I put them on my cargo trailer and convert it into a camping trailer, then comment cargo camping conversion down below and I'll get that video made. But don't hesitate to get these panels. They are absolutely ones that I recommend and think that are very good and high quality. And SunGold is a very well-renowned company that has good customer service.